The next topic is importance of management. We know that in the absence of management, no organization can run successfully. So the various importance of management are: the first one is management helps in achieving group goals. Management always tries to integrate the objectives of individual along with the organizational goal. Management directs the efforts of all the individuals in the common direction of achieving organizational goals. Clear? Now, management improves efficiency. You know what does the word mean, efficiency? Managers try to reduce the cost of the production and improve the productivity with the minimum wastage of resources. Management always insists on increasing the efficiency along with the effectiveness in the work through its various functions. Now, management creates a dynamic organization. Organization has to survive, or organizations have to survive in dynamic environment. Dynamic environment means all those surrounding environments which are constantly changing, and which are the changes that are happening in that environment is beyond the control of any organization. Managers, they keep on making changes in the organization to match the environment change, and people generally they resist to the change. So efficient management generally motivate employees to adopt the changes that are taking place in the surroundings or in the organization to perform better and to have a better competitive edge over their competitors. Clear? Management helps in achieving personal goal or personal objectives. An efficient manager can motivate and lead his or her team successfully only when he or she is able to motivate their people in a positive way. Then only, or we can say that a motivated employee can only contribute to the 100% in the organization to achieve its objective. So when personal objectives are achieved, no doubt the organizational objectives will be achieved in the due course of time. Management helps in the development of society. Once again, management or the organization is a part of the society. It is for the society, by the society, and of the society. So they have to serve, they have to fulfill the requirement of the society. Clear? They have to carry out the various social obligation towards the different group of people, towards the stakeholders of the company, such as employees, customers, suppliers, and many more. They must insist on providing good quality products. They must provide them with good salary. They must keep on creating employment in the society. By doing this, a company or an organization can help in the development of the society, and in the meantime they will also help in the growth of the nation.